Alrighty, Rod, here's one of your 347s, small block Ford. Your description is combination, got a set of RS cast heads, custom ground hydraulic roller. You got the Holley Sniper on it for you. Aviaid period correct oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3400, it is 386 foot-pounds of torque. It peaks torque 404, peaks horsepower 446, rated 440, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things. When you see your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card. It's full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, QR code. That will take you to some more tech stuff. Have a great day.